So what are those resistances that you will face when you want to study? First, you will suddenly want to go through your phone and look at all the notifications and messages. Number two, you would have an urge to watch a movie or a serial on the TV. Number third, suddenly दिल करेगा friend के साथ let's go for a coffee. And if not all these three, number four, you will be feeling so tired to actually even read one line. So now what to do? Give in to your resistance? No. So follow my go-to rule of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 by Mel Robbins, which says at the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, just get into action. So open that book, open that chapter and start studying. The only way to beat resistance is by getting into action. And that is what we all must do.